Want to keep your home clean with a self-emptying, smart cleaning machine? Then this video is for you. Today, we're reviewing the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus EVO robot vacuum, which comes with advanced features to keep your space spotless. Product overview. The Roomba i3 Plus EVO is a premium robot vacuum designed for long-term cleanliness. One of its standout features is its self-emptying capability, allowing it to hold dirt for up to 60 days, so you don't have to clean it out frequently. Features and special technology. The Roomba i3 Plus EVO uses smart mapping technology, enabling it to map each room accurately and clean accordingly. You can set it to clean specific rooms, giving you complete control over which areas you want spotless. Plus, it's fully compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing voice-commanded cleaning. Performance and user experience. The Roomba i3 Plus EVO's powerful suction is highly effective. It doesn't just tackle dust and small debris, but is also perfect for pet hair. According to user reviews, it performs very accurately and rarely requires manual cleaning afterward. Battery life and charging. It also has excellent battery life. It can clean for extended periods on a single charge and returns to the dock to recharge automatically. So, you can stay worry-free. Pros and cons. Pros. Self-emptying feature holds up to 60 days worth of dirt. Smart mapping by room. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Ideal for pet hair removal. Cons. Priced in the premium range compared to other robot vacuums. May have limitations in homes with wall-to-wall carpet or highly irregular layouts. Why choose this product? If you're looking for a hassle-free robot vacuum that keeps your home clean over the long term, the Roomba i3 Plus EVO is definitely worth considering. It makes your lifestyle easier and keeps your space tidy with minimal effort. With smart mapping and self-emptying features, it stands out among other vacuums in the market. That wraps up today's review. If you're interested in purchasing this incredible robot vacuum for your home, click the link and check out more details. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.